Can I get Hulu on my Sharp Smart TV? Hulu is available on many Sharp Smart TVs, but its compatibility depends on the model and operating system. Sharp TVs running Android TV or Roku TV support the Hulu app, while older models with Aquos Net Plus or other proprietary systems may not. If Hulu is not natively available, external streaming devices or casting methods can be used. 1. Checking if your Sharp Smart TV supports Hulu. Sharp Smart TVs run on different platforms including Android TV, Roku TV, and Aquos Net Plus. To check if your TV supports Hulu, press the Home button on your remote. Open the Google Play Store for Android TV or the Roku Channel Store for Roku TV. Search for Hulu in the App Store. If the app appears, your TV supports Hulu. If not, you may need an alternative method. 2. Installing Hulu on a compatible Sharp Smart TV. If your Sharp TV supports Hulu, follow these steps to install it. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store for Android TV or Roku Channel Store for Roku TV. Search for Hulu and select the app. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Open the app, sign in with your Hulu account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external streaming device for Hulu. If your Sharp Smart TV does not support Hulu, you can use an external streaming device such as Roku Stick, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Connect the device to your Sharp Smart TV, install the Hulu app, and log in to start streaming. 4. Casting Hulu from a mobile device. If your Sharp TV does not support Hulu natively, you can cast or screen mirror from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Make sure your TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then open the Hulu app on your mobile device. Tap the Cast icon for Chromecast or use AirPlay for Apple devices. Select your Sharp Smart TV and the content will play on your TV screen. If your Sharp Smart TV runs on Android TV or Roku TV, you can install Hulu directly. Otherwise, using an external device or casting option allows you to access Hulu. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can stream Hulu easily.